So we've talked about the listing agreement. The Form 18 is an amendment to the listing agreement. So in the listing agreement, there are specific terms that you and your client have chosen to agree to. Those specific terms can be amended with this one form, which is much easier than having to redo the entire listing agreement. So if you find yourself in a situation where you need to change one of the terms, then pull out Form 18. This is for a listing agreement that is signed and in place prior to the listing going live. You'll want to use this with the new updated limited dual agency consent and a couple of these other boxes. You could probably use them afterwards as well. However, these things need to be agreed on before. If you have a change in the list price after the home is live, you're going to want to use a 19 and not an 18. So you'll use this term to extend the listing agreement. Now, this is the total contract for your listing. You can use this to update or change the list price before it goes live. Add a broker who may be helping you either as a co-listing broker, consent to limited dual agency, or if there's a co-broker, what their role in this limited dual agency would be. And then anything other than these things listed that may apply to your listing. Again, that is Form 18 to be used before the home is on the MLS to change any of the items listed below.